So this is the comprehension. As you can see, there is a question in set A. Why do children reach the theater early? All right. Why do children reach the theater early? तो इसमें आप बच्चे देखो, आपको एक noun mention किया गया है. Okay, there is a noun, children. Why do children reach the theater early? आप लोगों ने क्या किया? You people just pick the same line from the comprehension and you just copied it. The answer is they reach the theater early so that they can buy popcorn. आप लोगों ने भी सेम लिख दिया, they reach, जबकि क्वेश्चन में it is children and you could have written the children reach the theater early, लेकिन आपने they से ही start कर दिया. So I told you this thing in the beginning of the session also when we discussed about the comprehension, and also we have discussed about this thing in second class as well, that you should always start your answers with nouns. आपको अपने answers जो है वो nouns के साथ start करने हैं, not with the pronouns. आपको pronouns के साथ start नहीं करने हैं अपने answers. So this was a major mistake जो comprehension में आप लोगों ने करी है. और यहाँ पर as you can see the highlighted area, ये children आना चाहिए था, यहाँ पर आपने they लिखा. So I have deducted half mark for this. Okay, then choosing the verbs choose करते वक्त भी आपको problem आई. Some people wrote the nouns instead of verbs. कुछ बच्चों ने nouns लिखे हैं verbs के जगह पे. Then write 6 lines on my favorite subject. Now my favorite subject पे, and not only in set A but in set B also, where the topic was write lines about my favorite game. I'm sorry to say that lines तो आपकी बहुत perfect थी एकदम, lines were really great, but you all have copied the lines from Google, right? आप सबने क्या किया है, lines copy करी है Google से. So I was not happy about that. कि why couldn't you make the lines yourself? And most of the children, they wrote the similar lines because सभी ने Google से copy किया और सभी को same lines मिली. So are you not able to write some lines yourself? आप खुद से lines नहीं लिख सकते हो. So what अगर आपके कुछ grammatical mistakes हो जाएंगी तो? I don't think there is any problem in that, right? We are learning right now. हम अपनी learning की stage पर हैं और अभी आप छोटी सी line 6 lines आपने लिखनी थी, वो भी आप copy करके लिख रहे हो बच्चे Google से. So that is what I didn't like about the composition, right? Next we have the questions from a reader, that is why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the enormous turnip and name the 3 places where the butterfly rested. The answers, most of you have given them correctly. Then we have make sentences. I have shared the answer key for that. The major problem again was about this, that who said these words to whom? I don't want to go to the wedding. किसने किसको ये words कहे? Answer is Nina said these words to her mother. Okay, so इसमें problem क्या थी? Some students didn't write the complete answer. सिर्फ इतना लिख दिया Nina said these words. आगे लिखा ही नहीं to her mother. Some children wrote like this, Nina said to her mother. बीच का जो पार्ट है these words वो लिखा ही नहीं. So बेटा प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो. आपसे इतनी अच्छी आपको लाइन लिखवाई गई है, नीना सेड दीज वर्ड्स टू हर मदर, और क्वेश्चन में भी देखो लिख रखा है हु सेड दीज वर्ड्स टू हुम. सो यू पीपल डोंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आंसर हमें देना कैसे चाहिए. ओके, ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं वो तो हम यूज कर ही सकते हैं ना. Next is grammar. In the grammar portion also some mistakes were there, like arrange the given group of words to make a meaningful sentence. Now ये जो jumbled sentence है इसमें दिक्कत क्या थी? When you have been asked to make a meaningful sentence, it means उस sentence को आपने start कैसे करना है, end कैसे करना है. You must be very careful for that. Okay, you must put a full stop towards the end of the sentence. आपको एक full stop जरूर देना है या फिर question mark, whatever is the need of the sentence. And you need to start the sentence with a capital letter. कुछ बच्चों ने capital से start नहीं किया. Some of you didn't put the full stop, और full stop ना डालने के मैंने half mark काटा है. Because this thing we have been teaching you since first standard. First से आपको सिखा रहे हैं कि सेंटेंस कैसे होना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशन मार्क, राइट. तो जिन बच्चों ने फुल स्टॉप नहीं डाला, आई हैव डिडक्टेड हाफ मार्क फॉर दैट. उसके अलावा बाकी जो मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं वो तो हमने देखी ही है. देन इज राइट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स. Now in this question, forms of verbs, ड्रीम, ड्रेम्ट, ड्रेम्ट, बहुत कम बच्चों को ये आता था. ड्रीम, ड्रेम्ट, ड्रेम्ट, हाइड, हिड, हिडन. So you need to work upon the forms of verbs. You need to learn them all. Then is change the genders in the given sentence. What did you people write? Milk man को आपने replace किया milk woman के साथ. There is nothing called milk woman. Milk man की जगह you can write milk maid. Milk maid ही लिखोगे आप. And there is one more confusion in your mind about tiger, that how to convert tiger into tigress. Tiger को जब आप बेटे convert करते हो tigress में, tiger के spelling होते हैं Tiger, लेकिन आपने same नहीं लिखने. You need to remove the e. Tiger. G के बाद आप लोग e नहीं डालोगे. You can have a look on my screen. मैं कैसे लिख रही हूँ. Tiger. R से पहले E नहीं आएगा, तो R के बाद E लगाकर डबल एस. TIGRE. तो हमने जो यहाँ पर एक E था, यहाँ पर एक जो E था, इसको हमने रिमूव कर देना है. TIGRE. इस तरह से आएगा ये. All right. So these were the mistakes in this question. Next is change the number of nouns. Number of nouns में we discussed that dear. Dear एक ही dear जो है वो dear ही रहेगा, whether it is one or it is more. ठीक है. एक dear होगा तो उसको भी हम dear ही लिखेंगे, ज्यादा होंगे तो भी हम dear ही लिखते हैं. And then is mouse. Mouse से क्या बनेगा? Mice. The deer went to meet the mice. So these were the mistakes in set A. Now let's talk about set B. All right. Now in set B, the comprehension was fine. Let me talk about the major mistakes. Now write 6 lines on my favorite game. My favorite game, again, so many lines were copied from the Google, from internet. ऐसी difficult lines आप लोगों ने लिखी हैं जो वैसे तो आप सोच ही नहीं सकते हो. ठीक है, और आपने लिख दी है एग्जाम में, तो साफ पता चला था मुझे that you people have cheated from Google. Okay, so please don't do that going forward. Please try to write your own lines. Mistakes हो जाएंगी, it's okay बच्चे, because we are learning right now. मतलब सीख रहे हैं ना, mistakes होने दो, it's okay. Next, reader portion, you can check yourself. And then again, who said these words to whom? What color would you like? So I was surprised to see that some people wrote, the balloon man said these words. The balloon man said these words. So I was surprised to know this कि आपको यही नहीं पता कि ये line कहाँ पे use हुई थी. So answer is Nina's mother said these words to Nina. And the other problem is about capital N. जब आप नीना लिख रहे थे, आपने नीना का जो N है, you didn't write it with the capital letter. You people wrote it with a small letter. आपने नीना का N जो है वो small लिख दिया. So this is also not acceptable. ये जो basic चीजें हैं आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Then is arrange the given group of words to make a meaningful sentence. Again, इसमें जिन बच्चों ने full stop नहीं डाला है, I have deducted their marks. Forms of verbs में आपने क्या mistake करी है? HEARD की बजाय आपने जो wrong spelling लिखे हैं, वो क्या लिखे हैं? HEARED. ये लिखा है आपने. HEARED. And this is completely wrong. एकदम wrong spelling है ये, क्योंकि heard में हम e नहीं डालते. HEARD. Okay, so it has to be same. Here, heard. आपने here के साथ बेटा बस एक D लगा देना है. Have a look. Here के साथ just put a D and you will get the answer. And then is fall, fell, fallen. This was correct mostly. Next is change the gender. Now nephew से क्या बनेगा? niece बनेगा. And hunter से huntress. वही same चीज. जब आप hunter को huntress में convert कर रहे हो, HUNTER is the spelling, but you need to remove the E. E को skip करेंगे तो R आ जाएगा. HUNTR and then put ESS. वो जो E है वो आगे आ जाता है. Huntress. is the correct word. Then is change the number of nouns. Now this was very tricky. Bimla bought a sheep and an ox. Okay, so जब sheep एक होती है तो a sheep, जब ज्यादा हो जाएंगी तो sheeps नहीं बनेंगी, तो भी वो sheep ही रहेगी, लेकिन होगा क्या, a की जगह हम क्या डालेंगे, will put the sheep. Bimla bought the sheep and the oxen. And की बजाय we need to write the oxen. This is the answer, the oxen. Ox से oxen बन जाएगा और and से the. And you should know that and is used with a singular object, with a singular subject. ठीक है, तो and की जगह पे हम the use करेंगे. Now that was all about the answer keys. Now let's move forward. Let's start the syllabus of PT3. And in PT3, what do we need to start with? So for that, let me just stop sharing for a while. So did you people go through today's work? Tell me first of all, have you all seen what work did I send today in the group? Show me a thumbs up like this. Yes. Okay. Saransh, this is not good evening. This is good morning. Wake up. Okay. Yes. So, okay. If you have seen the work, then can you please write the name of the chapter? Very good. Did you all get the chat box? आपको पता चल रहा है कि chat box कहाँ है? Show me a thumbs up if you have got the chat box. If you have found the chat box. If you have found the chat box, show me a thumbs up. जिनको जिनको chat box मिल गया है कि लिखना कैसे है इसमें. Very good. Many people have found it. Very nice. Great. So you can write in the chat box, okay? Very good. All right. So the chapter name is The Story of the Road. The Story of the Road chapter है हमारा. Right. So I'm going to share my screen again with you just to show you a few things. All right. So you can have a look. The name of the chapter is The Story of the Road. And this chapter basically talks about, as the name only suggests it, the story of the road. रोड की स्टोरी, रोड की दिन भर की कहानी, रोड पे क्या क्या होता है, कौन कौन वहां आता है रोड पे, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स, राइट? सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक कि कौन कौन रोड पे आता है. Dogs are there, elephants, cats, horses, crows, vegetable man, birds, bicycle is there, milkman, children. Okay, ये सब लोग रोड पे आते हैं. So now I want to ask a question from you all, that what happens when all these people, when all these creatures, they come on the road? जब ये लोग रोड पे आते हैं तो फिर होता क्या है? So I want Namanjot to answer my question. Then ma'am, can you please unmute Namanjot?
Yes ma'am, अभी करती हूँ.
Okay ma'am.
अमनजोत.
Namanjot.
नमनजोत.
Yes.
मैम मैं कर रही हूँ बट हो नहीं रहा इधर से.
Namanjot,
क्या
can
प्रॉब्लम?
you unmute yourself? Is it possible for you? No, it is not possible for him.
यस बेटा फिर से ट्राई करो. नमनजोत.
Namanjot, now speak.
चला गया मैम. यस मैम हो गया.
Namanjot,
Unmute.
yes. Say something, Namanjot. Say good morning. Your voice is not audible. Beta, you are unmuted. आप unmute हो चुके हो. Still your voice is not audible. Is your mic working properly? Okay, no issues. Ma'am, can we unmute Harshita? Can we please unmute Harshita Bans?
Harshita. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Harshita. Harshita, please unmute yourself. मैम ने आपको unmute कर दिया था. आपने खुद mute कर लिया maybe. Cheshta is asking question, dictation word is there or not? Cheshta, today we are not going to discuss dictation words. We shall be discussing them tomorrow. Yes, Harshita, can you please unmute yourself, Vijay? Okay, Dayanam, can you please make me the host? Then I can unmute them according to my choice.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harshita. So
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
आ गई.
So I just mentioned here that there are so many sounds on the road. So when so many people, so many creatures come on the road and they make some sound, then what happens?
Ma'am, there is so much noise on the road.
Okay, so what happens because of the noise?
Ma'am, can you speak again?
Okay, when there is so much noise on the road, do you feel some problem? Can you feel something that oh my God, there is so noise. I'm facing this problem or that problem. Does it happen with you? Unmute yourself first of all, Arshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it happens with you. So which problems do you face?
Ma'am, there are so many problems. Like there is so much pollution on the road, and we can't listen the horns of the cars, and there are so many accidents too.
Right.
Sometimes.
So many accidents. Very good. So now I want ID with Harveer Singh to answer me. Please unmute yourself, bete. Harveer Singh. Unmute yourself, Harveer.
Yes.
Yes, Harveer. So can you tell me some sounds which you can listen to on the road? Some sounds which you can listen to on the road.
The birds are calling chirpoo, chirpoo, chirpoo on the road.
It is not chirpoo chirpoo, it is chirp chirp. Okay, CHIRRUP, chirp chirp. Okay, it's chirp chirp. The sounds of the bird is chirp chirp. Okay, so we can listen to the birds. Okay, Gurzina, can you please tell me? Please unmute yourself. Can you tell me which other sounds can you listen to on the road? Or कौन सी sound आप सुन पाते हो? Gurzina, your voice is not audible, beta.
मैम में तो आंसर कुछ है.
Yes, Gurzina.
Ma'am.
Hey, good morning, Gurzina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Gurzina. So tell me, which other sounds can you listen to on the road, beta?
Ka 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 says the crow.
Okay, cow, cow says the crow. Very good. Okay, now Baljot, can you please tell me which other sounds can you listen to on the road? यस बलजोत, और कौन सी आपको साउंड सुनाई देती है बेटे? Your voice is not audible. So in the chat box, I'm getting very interesting replies. Let me see. School girl, chatter, chatter. Okay. Okay, Mayank. Yes, Mayank wants to speak. Okay, let me just unmute Mayank. Where is Mayank? Yes, Mayank, can you please speak?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me.
Ma'am, we can hear the voices of birds, birds chirping, and children talking, children's chattering,
Okay.
and the sound the sound of cow.
Sound of crow.
Ma'am, cow and cow too.
Okay, what is the sound of cow, Mayank?
Ma'am, moo.
Moo. Okay, thank you so much, Mayank. Very good. Okay, now let me give a chance to Saransh. Yes, Saransh. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Saransh. Okay, Saransh, can you see vegetable man, vegetable seller sometime in your street?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Can you see some vegetable sellers in your street sometimes?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So which vegetables does he sell?
Ma'am, he sells onion and potato और मैम अभी तक तो इतना ही पता है मेरे को।
क्यों, और सब्जियां नहीं खाते हो आप? आपको और सब्जियों के बारे में नहीं पता?
मैम खाता तो हूँ। मैम हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ फिर?
No, not in Hindi. Okay, can somebody act like a vegetable seller here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने जो टाइम शेड्यूल में दिया है उधर आपने क्लास का ऐसे टाइम दिया 9:50 से 9:05 AM।
बेटा प्लीज चेक द शेड्यूल अगेन एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट अगर आपको कोई डाउट है आफ्टर द क्लास प्लीज कॉल द टीचर, ओके? विल क्लियर योर डाउट. अभी लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इंग्लिश क्लास. हु कैन एक्ट लाइक अ वेजिटेबल सेलर? कौन एक्टिंग करके दिखा सकता है? यू हैव टू स्पीक द नेम्स ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स इन इंग्लिश, ओके? इंग्लिश में बोलना है आपको. हु कैन? Okay, let me see. Those children. Okay. Yes, Vanshika, can you please try? Let me just unmute you. Yes, Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So start the acting.
Potato, cabbage, potato, radish, cauliflower, 10 kg. Potato, cauliflower, 10 rupees.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. So now who can act like a road? Now the scene is that the vegetable seller has come on the road and the road was sleeping. Now suddenly there is so much noise on the road. So how will the road behave? Road कैसे करेगा? Road को गुस्सा कैसे आएगा? Who can tell me that? Who can act like the road? Road को गुस्सा कैसे आएगा? Just suppose that you people are studying and then your younger brother or sister, he or she just plays the television too loud. Then how would you feel? Similarly, the road would also feel that I was sleeping and this vegetable seller has come and he has disturbed my sleep. So कैसे गुस्सा करेगा वो? Tell me that. Who can? Those who want to try, they can write in the chat box. Okay, yes, Harveen. I want Harveen to try it. Let me just unmute. Harveen, please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, Harveen. How will you try? How will you tell that the road is angry now?
They are disturbing my sleep.
गुस्सा करना है आपने. What is the expression of being angry? ऐसे तो गुस्सा मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है. मैं तो बड़े प्यार से बात कर रहे हो आप. अच्छा, tell me किसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है? Who is the angry young man or angry young woman in our class? किसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है? Yes, yes, yes. Let me see. किसको गुस्सा आता है? Okay. We have Bhavesh here. Bhavesh, please try it. Unmute yourself, Bhavesh. Yes, Bhavesh. कैसे गुस्सा आएगा रोड को? How will the road express its anger?
Why you?
Quickly, quickly. We are running short of time. कैसे गुस्सा आएगा? Yes, Bhavesh, do it. No issues. कैसा भी करो.
Why you wake me? Why you wake me? I am sleeping.
Very good. Why did you wake me up? I'm sleeping. Very good. You foolish crow, you foolish vegetable man, why did you wake me up? Like this. ऐसे गुस्सा आएगा ना? Very good, Bhavesh. So in this chapter also, the story of the road, the author has told us about different creatures which come on the road, which are the crow, birds, and then there is a newspaper man on the road. There is a chattering of the school children when some school children pass from there. जो बच्चे जब बातें करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chattering. जैसे आप लोग क्लास में बैठ के बातें करते हैं, that's called chattering. Okay, so the sound of the children when they talk to each other is called chatter, chatter. So that is one sound. And the sound of their shoes, उनके shoes की क्या sound होती है? Tramp, tramp. Okay, so ये सब sounds जो होती हैं रोड पे उसको सुनने को मिलती हैं रोड को. And the road gets annoyed जब क्रो जो है बार बार काव 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 करके रोड को क्या कहता है? Wake up, wake up, wake up. And the crow speaks like that, but the road feels irritated and annoyed. Annoyed means उसको गुस्सा आता है, वो irritate हो जाता है कि ये क्यों बार बार बोली जा रहा है, मैं तो उठा हुआ हूँ, I'm already wake up. So the road says, you foolish crow, तुम बेवकूफ हो, तुम्हें पता नहीं चल रहा है that I'm already wake up. So this is how the road feels irritated when he has to listen to so many sounds on the road, right? So this is the chapter all about. I have shared one back exercise with you also in the WhatsApp group. You just need to understand that and you need to write it down in your notebook. Okay, Two links are there, two YouTube links are there. One link will explain you the story of the chapter, and the other link has been created by me. I have put my video. Okay, so just listen to that, you'll get more understanding of the sounds, and ye sounds aapko learn honi chahiye. Next time in the next session I'm going to ask about these sounds from you, right? So I hope the session is just going to end in a couple of minutes. So we couldn't discuss the GK question and the thought of the day in the morning, so let me just ask you, who can speak the thought of the day? Who can speak up the thought of the day? Okay, I can see Vanshika raising her hand. Yes, Vanshika, you can please carry on with the thought of the day. I'm going to, yes.
Good morning to you all. My name is Vanshika Puri. I study in 3rd class. Today I am going to speak today's thought. And today's thought is, winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. I repeat my thought. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Very good. So today's thought is, winners are not the people who never fail, but they never quit. So winners कौन लोग होते हैं जो कि कभी quit नहीं करते. What is the meaning of quit? Quit means हार मान लेना. तो winners कौन बनते हैं फ्यूचर में? वही winner बनेगा इंसान जो कि कभी हार नहीं मानेगा, right? हमें हार नहीं मानना है. If you want to be winner, हमेशा कोशिश करते रहना है. Okay, now let's talk about the GK question. Yes, Baljot. Not able to listen to your voice, Baljot. Okay, not able to listen to your voice, Baljot. Anyways, we're just left with 1 minute, so let me just speak of the GK question of the day. It is, where is Golden Temple located? Golden Temple kahan hai? You can write the answer in the chat box. Where is it? Where is Golden Temple located? You may write the answers in the chat box. It is in Amritsar. Very good. It's in Amritsar. Very good. So can you please tell me what is the other name of Golden Temple? What is the other name of Golden Temple?